I'm going where Brad's going.
Easy.
Crawlers.
Easy.
Just remember, it'll make the obstacle if you go slow. Let the tires grab. Do that.
Like real life rock crawling, waiting for the guy in front of you to get the fuck out of the way.
Remember right there, because it's so up, you gotta go slow, real slow. When you floor it, it kicks it, makes it do a wheelie.
Oh, yeah. Stop.
Turn left, towards you.
See that undercut? Yeah, that's why I spammed it like a fucking bitch.
Turn your tires. Nice and slow. Don't run up on them.
It's alright, I'll just use you as a landing on the craft.
We need to watch so you can see what he's doing.
Definitely not the way I did it, but that's definitely
I'll show you. Remember how he waited for you?
Yeah.
Come on. There you go. Nice. Counter steer worked out there for you. Pull it around.
Oh.
So
Burley.
I had to.
So,
I had
when
to
I came
keep
up,
turning driver
I came up here,
this time right here.
And then I turned in, and then you gotta get close to the wall and then come up. This one's gonna struggle, because this is a hard obstacle.
Yeah, so right here when I came up, I had to keep it turned
Yeah.
driver to kind of bite sidewall until the back tire started to crest, and then it just walked right up it.
I know.
There it goes. There it goes. Turn into the rock a little bit more. Pin the sidewall.
Yeah.
You know what the answer is now.
Oh, gee.
You're about to have a tire like mine. I'm gonna scoop right past. Sorry, Dan.
Yeah, I gotta pay
Wait,
attention.
wait, buddy.
Oh yeah, there's no way I'm going up this.
What are you doing?
I went up this way because this way right here is like damn near straight up. Yeah, I went there and then turned up, right? Yeah, like that. Oh, turned over. Go ahead, drive over me.
trying to use just leave the camera alone to see how that video turns out. I'm thinking about just like putting all this video, making one long one, and just no volume, just some shitty music. Put it on YouTube. Keep going straight, drop down, and then find your way up this valley.
What the fuck? That was fucking crazy. Seriously?
Oh, great shot for that.
Yeah. You're welcome for that. Put that on OF.
I probably make $3.
Dude, this is harder than it looks through here.
Yeah, that's right.
Because you fall in right here, and once you fall in, it's fucking over. There we go.
I know.
There we go.
Get on top of that big.
That's what I'm doing.
This is like king of the hammers. There's just trucks everywhere.
Dude, this crack is just ridiculous, dude.
Start at the bottom, Dan. Carry the truck around there. Let's see if you can make it up. Go around. I'll show you where to start. Go around back behind Brad.
I don't know if I can fucking make it through here. Nope.